Here's our research question. Is the mean height in the population of all World Campus Stat 200 students different from 65 inches? We're going to use StatKey to construct a randomization distribution to determine the p-value for this hypothesis test. In StatKey, we're going to construct a randomization hypothesis test for a single mean. We're not using one of the default data sets. Instead, we're using data from our Minitab Express file. I'm going to copy and paste the height column into StatKey. So I'll delete the existing data set and paste my height data column. When I click OK, this changes my original sample to the sample from that Minitab Express file. Our null hypothesis is that the mean is equal to 65. Let's generate a few thousand samples. Here I've generated a total of 8,000 samples. The mean of my randomization dot plot here is 65.005. This is very similar to the null hypothesis value of 65. The standard deviation of this distribution, also known as the standard error, is equal to 0.194. Recall our alternative hypothesis was that mu does not equal 65, so we're conducting a two-tailed test. To find the p-value, I'm going to check two-tailed. My original sample mean was 67.009, which would fall to the right end of this distribution, so I'll change the value on the right side to 67.009. The p-value is the sum of the proportions on the left end and the right end. In this case, p is very small. We would say that p is less than 0.001. We would reject our null hypothesis. We do have evidence that the population mean is different from 65 inches.